Hi, my name is Mark Taylor. I'm the owner of Extreme Aerial Productions and, according to my hat, also the chief geek. The purpose of this little video is simply to educate you on all the super cool stuff that drones do. I mean, every day people call us and say, "Hey Mark, can a drone do this?" So rather than bore you for the next 90 seconds by telling you everything we've done, let me just tell you the projects that we're involved in for the beginning of 2025 that I think will be mind-opening in terms of the flexibility and the use cases, because we are constantly shocked. Like, who'd have thought I'd be flying a specialized drone in a confined area for 28,000 linear feet to produce a point cloud that shows the quality and potential damage areas of an underground sewer system, to flying a drone inside an NFL stadium so that they can calculate the volume of air that's actually going to need to be moved when they upgrade the air conditioning system, and then, because of the quality of data, can now completely redesign their seating charts. It's fascinating. Can a drone do that? Yeah, we're doing it. We're flying in GPS-denied environments. When I first started in 2014, we were just doing progression, pretty pictures, helping at OAC meetings with reporting, doing update videos for banks so that the bonding and lien agents would be satisfied on the percentage of construction completed. We still do around 30 a week of those, but our skill sets have evolved. We're a full production company, so we help showcase projects to such a level that they're actually winning awards. We are out of state doing solar farms, from basic Topo all the way to the design build on 6,000 and 7,000 acre sites, to flying forests for tree counts and tree trunks so that they can actually cull the correct tree sizes. There's so many things that we can do. Your basic and simple job site analysis compared to BIM, compared to design, to quantities, to Topo, are all tied in on our weekly and monthly flights. Being able to measure your road grades, calculate your quantities, prove to soil engineers that the compaction is incorrect. You're having shrinkage challenges, even down to being called for inventory analysis due to on-site theft. There are so many applications that we are involved in each and every day. The fun part of it is your vision is what inspires us. You ask us for technical challenges. You ask us to showcase things like flying at night down at the South Pier project and showing a concrete and topping outpour, to calculating the windows on a building are performing before you turn them over to an owner, using thermal, to roof inspections to show that the underlayment was installed correctly or not correctly. There are so many things that I welcome you to ask us, challenge us, call us and say, "Hey Mark, can a drone do this? I'm having this problem." For example, we're at a major data center where a PM called up and said, "Mark, I don't understand. We've got laser machines running around. I've got crews everywhere, and our fiber connects are not lining up. What's going on? They have to be within the inch." And we flew the site. We did the calculations. The geospatial team we have in-house, who are ultimate super nerds, were able to calculate that the design was wrong. They were able to figure out that the scale factor was incorrect. They showed that the conversion from grid to ground where it was designed was off. And by how much? Now the site is humming along and everything's fixed and moving forward as it should be. Any single challenge that you have, or any single bragging point that you want to showcase, my company has specialized since 2014 in delivering those needs and wants. So I encourage you, please call us up, have a chat with us. We're fun-loving. We really, really do love what we get to be exposed to each and every day. I mean, come on, I get to fly cool equipment. My team and I, we get to use the latest and greatest cutting edge. And who doesn't like filming a massive explosion as a double sewer is blasted, all the material is blasted out of the way, and put that in place. And we're going to do a showcase video. It's really, really cool what we get to do. And we're very blessed and very grateful that you allow us to do it for you. So please reach out to me, 602-908-2043, and let's see if we can have some fun together.